Mga kalindog, I show you, nag-snow na naman ngayon. They are snowing now. Oh. I show you. Sa inyo ha. Ayan ko. Sa nating bintana. Ayan, they're snowing. Oh my God, so beautiful. Diba? There is snow. Ayan, I'll show you how to snow. Ayan, today is December 20, December 4 na 2000, oh my God, ano ba yung nakakalimutan? I forgot, okay. 2021. I'm getting old. Ayan mga kalindog, diba? I wanna go downstairs, but I don't like to go there. It's late na. Diba? Going out. Ayan mga kalindog, look. You see, snowing. Diba? Okay. Mga kalindog, see you. Giniginaw na ako. Oh my God, it's snowing. Ayan, oh, diba?